I have been asked this question several times. What if I am not interested in coding? Can I still work in the tech industry? The simple answer is yes. There is indeed a vast array of non-technical career paths within the tech space. It may seem like our field is dominated by coders, programmers, and engineers, but certainly there's a whole world of opportunities that don't require a degree in computer science or require you to manage IT infrastructure. Today, at Tech and Coding with Ola, we'll be exploring 8 of these non-technical roles. In our previous video, we discussed the technical career paths in tech. See the link in the description below. First on the list is product management. A product manager is like the captain of a ship, plotting the course for a product's journey from conception to market. They need to understand the market, the customers, and the competition, and use this knowledge to guide the technical team in developing a product that meets a specific need. They bridge the gap between technical development and business objectives. Mind you, a product in this context could be an app or any software solution developed for end users and often to satisfy a need in the market. We also have a group of people we call product owners. In another video, we will differentiate between these two roles. But a quick point to note is that the product manager sets the strategic direction, while the product owner ensures that specific customer needs and requirements are addressed through meticulous planning and coordination with development teams. More on that in our subsequent videos. Next, we have user experience or UX designers. This is where creativity meets tech. These are the guys who ensure that a product is not just functional, but also enjoyable and intuitive to use. They design all the screens you see in an app before a front-end developer then writes the code to bring the designs to life. They study user behavior, create wireframes and prototypes, and conduct usability tests to make the user's interaction as smooth as possible. Thirdly, we find the sales and marketing team. This includes roles such as sales representatives, marketing specialists, and business development managers who work to promote and sell the company's products and services. What is the use of an app when no one using it? They ensure software products get into the hands of users by developing marketing strategies, creating sales collateral, and engaging with clients to drive revenue growth. They're the ones who translate tech speak into language that customers can understand and appreciate. Then there's the role of a technical writer. These individuals have a knack for translating complex technical concepts into clear, concise, and easy to understand language for end users, developers, and other stakeholders. They create documentation, instruction manuals, how-to guides, scripts for video content, and FAQ pages that help users get the most out of a product. Next, we turn our attention to the role of a human resources specialist. They're responsible for recruiting, hiring, and retaining the talented individuals who make up the tech team. They develop talent acquisition strategies, manage employee benefits and performance, and foster a positive work culture. They also handle employee relations and training programs. Another is the role of the project manager. This role requires excellent organizational and communication skills, as they're responsible for overseeing the successful completion of projects. They coordinate resources, manage team members, timelines and budgets, and communicate with stakeholders to ensure projects are completed successfully on time and within budget. Next, we have business analysis. This role also requires excellent organizational and communication skills. In addition, it requires problem-solving, critical thinking, and teamwork skills, as they're responsible for analyzing market trends, customer needs, and business processes to identify opportunities for technological solutions. They gather and document functional and non-functional requirements, conduct feasibility studies, and collaborate with stakeholders to improve business operations. Lastly, but certainly not least, is product support and customer success. Their role in determining the success of a product after launch cannot be overemphasized, as they interface with customers to resolve issues. They assist users in troubleshooting technical issues, reporting incidences, providing training, and ensuring customer satisfaction with software products and services. To summarize, the tech industry isn't just a playground for the technically inclined. There's a whole host of non-technical roles that are vital to the success of any tech company. From product management to UX design, sales and marketing to technical writing, human resources to project management, business analysis to product support and customer success, there's a role for almost any skill set. So if you've ever felt intimidated by the tech industry because you're not a tech wizard or you don't have a knack for coding, remember this: there are several ways to be a part of this booming tech revolution. This industry needs a diverse range of skills and talents to thrive, and that includes yours. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in and see where your skills can take you. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube video and join all our social media platforms.